really think the landscape of higher education has changed drastically over the years. In my day, they simply asked me, hey, what school did you go to and what did you take? Easy breezy. Now the equation is somewhat more complicated. Instead of asking about the objectives of what they try to teach in the curriculum, a lot of employers and grad schools want to hear about outcomes. In other words, what can you do and what can you show for? So experiential learning by way of the practicum is how you get there. So the best part of my job, and I have been here since the beginning, is by far working with the students and monitoring their personal growth. When they come here, a lot of students have a ballpark idea of what they want to do, and then through experience and some reflection on that experience, they really whittle it down from a whole ballpark to perhaps a section within that ballpark. And then through more reflection, a row, and then a seat within that ballpark. And that's an exploratory process, and it's not something that we prescribe to the student. It's something that they learn and discover on their own. And that sort of experience is invaluable. And you'll be relieved to know not a single employer out there expects you to be a Jedi Knight at this. I mean, you're an undergrad student, so you'll have a cursory understanding of the themes and the problems associated with the environment. But really what they're looking for, the caramel secret, is that they want to see effort. If you can demonstrate a willingness to learn, there is a willingness to succeed. In other words, it's not all about the experience, it's what you do with that experience. And we're not going to prescribe to you how to go about doing it. Instead, we're going to be active listeners and take inventory of your goals and calibrate the whole experience accordingly. We're going to put in strategic stones to help get you to where you need to be. And if you're the rock star, we're very happy to be your agent.